Give up, meaning 1. To stop doing something that you do regularly. For example, his wife finally persuaded him to give up smoking. Example 2. Giving up his job was the last thing we expected him to do. Give up. To stop thinking or believing something. For example, it was a difficult time, but we never gave up hope. Give up the idea of something. To no longer want to do something. Example, he had given up the idea of marriage altogether. Give up. To stop doing something that you're trying hard to do. For example, we've given up trying to persuade them to change. Example 2. Decide what you want and then don't give up until you've achieved it. Give up, meaning to allow someone to have something that was yours. Example, the new arrangement would mean giving up some of their political independence. Give up to. The example, they agreed to give half their office up to the temporary staff. Give up. To use your time for one activity instead of another. The example, doing this course will mean giving up a lot of my spare time. Give up, meaning 3. If you give yourself up, you allow yourself to be arrested by the police. Give up, meaning 4. If you give something up as lost, you believe that you will not find it, and you stop looking for it. Give someone up for dead. The example, the men who were still in the boat had given him up for dead.